What's up, guys? We're going to do the announcement tonight for the Ronin Factory shift bushings. Thank you all for participating in that giveaway. As of right now, there's 193 comments. I'm giving away 2 sets of the shift bushings, so 2 of you are going to win. If you don't win, though, don't worry about it. You can head over to their site, use my discount code that is going to save you 10%, so I think it's under $50 total then. By using that code, that helps me out, show Ronin Factory that, hey, you guys actually care about the products that we're talking about. We can help them with product development, stuff that's going to be put on the Focus ST in the future. So it helps me out, you get a good product, and we can continue to create more products and do more giveaways like this. With that said, let's do the number generator. So I'm doing smallest value 1, largest value 193, and I'm going to run the sequence. After the sequence is run, I'm going to take the first 2 numbers in the sequence. So let's see who it is. Get sequence. 66 and 49. 66, 49. Have it written there. Yes, okay. Let's do some counting. All right, so I organized the comments from newest to oldest. The current newest one is Corey Falcone. Corey, you're always commenting, I appreciate it. Let's see here. Okay, let's count. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. And 49 was not a I love Ronin comment. So we are going to fall back on the previous one, which is 48, Gregory Patil. I don't know how to say it, but this guy right here. I will put your name up on the screen here so we 100% know. Screenshot of that. Winner. And I will reply to you right now. You won. I have my RGBG5 email still for Google. I'm probably gonna have to change that eventually to Jeeves, but that's the email you're gonna send it to. So, all right, so Gregory is our first winner. I haven't had to ship something to someone overseas yet, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but we'll find out. So that was the 48th, and so to make you feel bad, 49 was Morgan Sutter, and he said MSGA. Make shifting great again. Sorry you didn't write I love Ronin. Oh my god, it just tore ass. Oh, alright, on to number 66. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Henry Groves. Henry Groves, you did it. You did it, Henry. Gonna let Henry know right now that he is a winner. So, to the winners, congratulations. I will be shipping these out as soon as you send me an email with your name and then a ship to address and everything. But yeah, so I'm going to reply to you guys right now, make sure I get all your information, and we will go from there. So thank you all for participating. Again, if you didn't win, head over to their site. It's a good upgrade. To give you a little bit more of a description of what it's like, it's just a notchier feeling within the gearbox. And I also mentioned in the video, if you want to see the install video, also go to the description below. I'll have that linked as well, because I didn't put it on my channel, I just put it on their website. So it's kind of cool, I'm on their website, you know, installing this part. The one thing that you must do is you use blue Loctite when you're on the threads. So I didn't do that when I initially installed it. I was like, I probably don't need it. And the bushing actually popped off and I couldn't get the car in gear at all. So now that I have the blue Loctite on there, it keeps everything together because you don't want to over tighten it. You just want to get it snug, and then the blue Loctite locks in the grooves together, or the threads together. So that's the reason for that. But yeah, if you have any questions, throw them in the comments below. I got some other videos coming out this week, some good announcements. And that's about it. Jeeps Shift is going to save you 10% on their website. Again, link in the description below. Thank you all for participating, and we will see you next time.